welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, hello. I haven't vlogged in literally forever, like a really long time, so it's strange to be filming right now. But I just filmed a try-on haul, so I figured I would just vlog. As you guys saw in the footage before this, I did go and get my hair done. That was a few days ago, and so since then I have showered and straightened it so it's not curly anymore. I actually don't know if I even showed it curly. Cut about, well, I started with 4 inches off, and then I was like, hey, do another inch, 2 inches, and so now we're up here. So I cut like 5 to 6 inches off, which is crazy. My hair still feels long. I honestly wish I would have done like a whole nother inch, but I'm going to get my hair done again in like a month, so I definitely can get it shorter. Before I talk about anything, I figured I could show you guys my outfit since I'm in this mirror. My top is from Boutique 23. I'm not sure if we have any left. We did sell out, but then we reordered, so if we have any more, I will link it down below. And then my jeans are just some dark cans. I have a tank top underneath, but I was gonna say they're mid-rise, and normally I hate mid-rise jeans. I only go for high-rise, but I really needed a nice dark pair of denim, and so that's where I got these. So I just filmed a try-on haul, like I said, and my room is a mess. So I'm quickly gonna go through and clean all this up. So cue cleaning montage. Pause cleaning montage. I just got this leopard jacket. How freaking cute is that? And it's like fuzzy. My room is back to somewhat what it was before. So still a little messy in here. This past weekend I actually went to my grandma's town where she lives, and we did some shopping, and so I figured I could show you guys what I got. Oh my gosh, I'm out of breath from cleaning all that. But I'm gonna set you guys up here in the OG spot. Okay, so I needed a Halloween costume for work, and I saw this one and I was like, yep, I'm buying it. It is a leopard onesie, and then the hood has little ears on it. So this is what I'm gonna wear to work. It was in the pajama section, so yes, that is what I'm gonna be for Halloween. I'm kind of at that weird age where like everything fun for stuff you have to be 21 to do, and I turn 21 in a month, so then I can do the fun stuff. But for now, I'm just dressing up for work. I also had a few more things. I'm gonna grab them. Okay, so then we went to, I think it was Family Dollar, Dollar General, I don't know, something like that. And I saw this and I was like, this is so cute. So to replace my little plant over there for like Christmas time, I got this guy because I think that's so cute. And then I think that's the only thing that I really got when I was there. But then when I came home, me and my mom stopped at Ulta. But I got the Too Faced Gingerbread Extra Spicy. This is what it looks like. It's really pretty. So I wore this on Sunday on my eyes, and then I woke up yesterday and my eyes were like swollen and they were like watering, and I didn't know if it was because of it. I had like allergies from something, or if it was from this palette. So I didn't use it today. I used my Aspen Obard one, but I'm gonna try it again maybe on Friday because I don't work on Sunday. Or I don't work on Saturday, to see if it makes my eyes a little swollen. We will see. But yeah, it's really pretty. I love this one. I wanted the gingerbread one last year, but then I don't know. I feel bad buying myself eyeshadow palettes because I already have so many. But there was something about this one that I was just like, I need it. And it smells so good. It smells like gingerbread. But yeah, and the packaging is so cute too. The shade names are funny too. If you ever want to read funny shade names, read Too Faces. They're funny. They're kind of sexual, but like, they're funny. And then also too, my mom got like this little gift set thing, and then she got a free gift with it. And it's like this Benefit stuff. It's got like a mascara and I think 2 liners, one in black, one in brown. And I think I'm going to keep this and put it in my holiday giveaway. I keep talking about how I'm going to do a giveaway at 2,000, but I think I'm going to combine that with my holiday giveaway and just do one huge giveaway since they're going to be so close. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. Would you rather have 2 separate giveaways and then maybe a little smaller, or one big one? Let me know. So yeah, that's everything I have to show you guys. I do work today. I only work 4 to 6 today, which is strange because normally I work like all day, full day. But I worked on Sunday, and then I have to stay late on Thursday because it's girls' night out, and so we're having like spooky things at all the stores downtown. You can like come shop and stuff. So I had the morning off. It was very nice, very relaxing. I filmed a video. I should have filmed a few videos, but I only did one because I'll have this vlog and that video, so I should be good for the next week or so. I've been so bad at filming and uploading, but I just don't have time. And then on my days off, I have to run all my errands, and I just want to relax and spend time with Easton. Easton doesn't like to be on camera, so I don't like to vlog with him because he just gets uncomfortable, and I'm like, I don't want to put him in that situation. So it's hard. But I figured I would try to vlog today a little bit. I'm also going to dance tonight. I don't know if I told you guys, but I've been doing their palm routine for them, and so I've been going to practice it. And they finished last week, so I'm just going one more time tonight to put the little finishing touch, extra little steps, heads, stuff like that for them. So I'm super excited to see all of them. I miss coaching, but I'm glad I'm not doing it this year because I don't know how I would do everything. Like, I don't have enough time in my day. But yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling now, and I'm just going to finish getting ready for work. I don't even know what time it is. 2:57, so I need to leave like right now if I want to go to Starbucks. So I'm gonna go do that. This is gonna stay. Let's hope so. You're like in the middle of my steering wheel. Normally I set you guys like up on my dash, but this is less obvious that I'm talking to a camera right now because it's like hidden right here. But yeah. Okay, so I went to Starbucks and I got a grande iced chai tea. Key taught me this. If you like chais, get it with an extra pump of chai. It changes the drink. It is so much better. So good. So I got that, and then I also got a venti iced water because I'm going to... See, that's why I don't like setting my camera there. That was scary. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, I'm gonna put it back. Let's hope it was fine. Maybe I'll just hold you guys. Maybe that'll be better. Well, like I said, I'm going to dance after, and so that's why I got the water. So I had that, and then I was gonna get a chocolate chip cookie. They didn't have that, but they had a confetti cookie, which looks like that. So I'm gonna try that. Hopefully that's good. I guess I can try it right now. I always have to, oh, it's squishy. I always have to break my food apart. I don't like biting into things. I don't know why. Just a sugar cookie. That's all it is. I need to turn my heat on. It's cold in here. I've been listening to the songs from the movie After. Have you guys seen that movie? I actually read the fan fictions when I was in high school. Well, I didn't read them like fully. I read the good parts on them, if you know what I mean. Yeah, I watched the movie. I had higher hopes. It was okay. Thought it would be a little better. But yeah, I'm just gonna sit here now. Maybe I'll FaceTime Easton for a bit, listen to some more music, eat my cookie, and head into work. Before I go, if you guys don't know where I work at Boutique 23. This is where I work. Well, the side building, but yeah, that's our little sign on the window. We have a location in Bismarck, which is at 201 West Main Ave. That's where I work. I normally work Monday through Friday, open to close, and then like one Sunday a month-ish. I don't really work weekends at the moment. But yeah, so if you ever want to see me, you know where to find me. And then we also have a location in Linton, North Dakota. Don't know the address of that off the top of my head. And then we have an online store too, which is just shopboutique23.com, which I always have linked down below. So yeah, go check that out. And I'm just getting my cookie. So I'm at Hughes now, finished with work. There we go, you can kind of see it. Didn't do too much at work today. I hung up some pants. I opened some hangers. I packaged up an online order. That's pretty much all I did. I was only there for a few hours, so I didn't do too much today. Update on this confetti cookie. I was not a fan. I'm a chocolate chip cookie kind of person, and that one just wasn't feeling it. But yeah, now I'm just gonna wait for Sid to get here to go inside with her, and then gonna practice the dance. And then when I get home, I'll probably update you guys then. I look rough, but I just got home from practice. I took all my makeup off and I actually shaved my face, so we're good. I normally don't wear actual foundation. I use like powder foundation, but today I put on actual foundation because I had time to do my makeup since I didn't work till 4, and you could really see the like peach fuzz on my face, so I was like, gotta shave. So I did that. You know, like I said, I'm at home. I'm in my days off crew. I love this. I can link this down below. I think I talked about it in my last video, but just this day off. Obviously wasn't my day off, but I love wearing the minted olive crew necks when I'm at home. Actually, last time I wore this, I dyed my eyebrows and I got some eyebrow dye on it. I don't know if you can even see. It's that really tiny spot, like right there. I don't even know if you can see it. It's really not even that noticeable. With all her olive stuff, it's always so fuzzy on the inside, and that's my favorite. Dance was really fun. We took some cute pictures. I'll put them on the screen for you guys to see. I miss dance, but like I said, I'm glad I don't have to go every day because I don't know how I did it last year. Like, I'd go to school, go to work. Actually, I didn't even have school. I did online school. But I'd go to work, go to practice. I took 18 credits online, and I did YouTube basically full time. Crazy. And my memory card's running out of space, so I'm gonna delete some stuff and I'll be back. I'm back with more storage. Yeah, I don't know how I did all of that. And then, I don't know, I was in a very bad headspace. I felt like my mental health was down, which you would have never guessed because I'm a very happy person. And I don't really come off, I don't know, I'm the type of person that like keeps their problems to themselves. I don't like to tell people about my life, which is strange because I'm like vlogging myself right now talking about my life, but like my personal feelings and stuff, very hard to tell people. Yeah, I'm all good now, doing great, loving life. I actually think I'm just gonna end this here and try to upload it just so I have a video, because I didn't post this Sunday, and I always post on Sundays, but I didn't. I want to try to get back into posting Sundays and Wednesdays, but we will see. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers, which is crazy. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.